10 kilowatt stove, tops out at about 15 kilowatts. It's got everything you need from the stove, secondary combustion, air wash, really, really nice burn. It's got a cold handle system to pop the handle off when the unit's burning. And a really nice big window for viewing the fire when it's going. You move over there to the Kenna 82, but functionally exactly the same, just instead of obviously 65 wide, this unit is 820 wide, so people who are looking for that slightly larger option, this is the one to go for. And either of these units can be converted, if you would like, to a freestanding unit just by picking yourself up either a bench or a box stand.